Find the horizontal asymptote or asymptotes of the function below. G of x is equal to 2 plus 3 raised to the x power, all divided by the quantity 1 minus 3 to the x. In order to find horizontal asymptotes in any function, we need to see what the limit is of our function g of x as x approaches both positive and negative infinity. So let's first look at the limit of g of x as x approaches negative infinity. And we can start by using direct substitution and see what we get. We would get 2 plus 3 to the negative infinity, all divided by 1 minus 3 raised to the negative infinity. And if we use the rule of exponents to move the negative infinity into the denominator, we would have 2 plus 1 over 3 to the infinity divided by 1 minus 1 over 3 to the negative infinity, or 3 to the positive infinity when we move it into the denominator. So we would have 2 plus 1 over infinity and 1 minus 1 over infinity. Well, 1 divided by infinity is 0. So we would have an asymptote of positive 2. So y equals 2 is one of them. So that definitely narrows our choices down to either A or B, because we don't have a negative 1 yet and it says only that. Well, we also know that it exists. All right, so we have one of them. Now let's look at the limit of g of x as x approaches positive infinity. If we do that, it will be 2 plus 3 to the infinity over 1 minus 3 to the infinity. 3 to the infinity is infinity, so it's 2 plus infinity over 1 minus infinity. So we would be approaching an infinite number here. We would have a type of infinity over infinity, or infinity over negative infinity. So we have to do something with this function, since direct substitution didn't work when we went this route. So let's actually start by dividing all of our terms by 3 to the x. So we would be looking at the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 divided by 3 to the x plus 1 all over 1 minus 3 to the x minus 1. And if we do take the limit as x approaches infinity, well, 3 to the infinity will be infinity, so this 2 divided by infinity will approach 0, so this can go away. And similarly, 1 divided by 3 to the infinity will be equal to 1 divided by infinity, so this also cancels out because it's 0. And 0 plus 1 divided by 0 minus 1 will equal or provide us with an asymptote of y equals negative 1. So therefore our answer here is B, y equals negative 1 and y equals 2.